Hi, my name is Missy. I'm with Sierra Watershed Education Partnerships. And we work to promote stewardship by connecting students to the community and their environment. About 3 years ago, I proposed to the community that we needed a project that promoted hope for students around scary things like fire. And we believe that action fosters hope. So we wanted to create a project that created action, that helped kids learn that if they could do some things, they could make their community safer, their house safer. And what we do at SWEP as well is promote stewardship through service learning. So anytime a kid can learn through service, it's gonna really sit with them better. And so we proposed this to Donner Trail Elementary.
We are thrilled to be the first partnership with SWEP and Truckee Fire District, getting out into our community and helping make our homes fire hardened and have defensible space. We have an initiative this year to get out into the community and find community partnerships, and so this was a perfect endeavor for us. And here we are on the summit helping a local family and putting these kids to work and making a difference in our community.
We call it a stewardship day. The idea is that the kids are helping out somebody needy in the area to do the defensible space. But at the same time, the kids are learning about the importance of defensible space and feeling really good about helping somebody in need, while also making their region a little safer and a little less scary when it comes to catastrophic wildfire. But the partners that came to join us today, the Truckee Fire Protection District, have been monumental in this. With Measure T, the importance for them and outreach to our community about what can be done, what can make us safer, is super important. And they agree that working with children is of utmost importance.
Yeah, it's super important to train our youth, not only the concepts of what fire is, how fire starts, how you can manage fuel and defensible space around your house, but give them the hands-on opportunity to come on out here. So you're seeing behind us, raking pine needles, removing the fuel. Right, we had crews out here cutting with saws and really using these kids to see how much work it takes to put in defensible space that's intended to protect this house behind us, who needed some help, but also the community that all of these kids and we all live and enjoy.
So one of the most important things that we like to do at SWEP with these projects is to do a front-loading lesson in the classroom. So that's where we really talk about the subject of fire. And so the front-loading is super important to empower the students about how important their role is to come out in a field day to make a difference. We also introduced to them Hank and Dee Dee, the homeowners here, and why they were in need and what they needed help with.
I'm glad to see the help we have, because it's been troublesome for us. We want to do something, but we don't, we're too old. So it's great to have this. I love it. I love kids. I just thrive on them, and my grandkids aren't around close anymore, so this is like heaven. It's great, and it's amazing. They're picking up trees and moving trees that are bigger than they are. It's just something else.
We're going to also help the region that your school's in and your community, and if you go home and teach this to your parents, you can do the same, because if we're all doing defensible space, do we have a better chance against catastrophic wildfire when it comes to our region?